flood warning for southwestern Orange County in central Virginia, eastern Greene County in central Virginia, southwestern Madison County in northwest Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., emergency management reported flooding from very heavy rain from earlier this afternoon. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can be expected as thunderstorms currently in Hanover County are moving towards the warned area and should arrive around 7 o'clock p.m. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Orange and Standardsville. Flash flood-prone areas impacted include Mutton Hollow Road near Spotswood Trail, Garth Road near Swift Run, Blue Run Road near Long Run, Dyke Road at Spotswood Trail, South River Road near the Salt River, Dundee Road at the Salt River, Middle River Road near the Conway River, Oconee Road at South River Road, Route 637 near Poorhouse Run, Jones Mill Road, Route 20 at Berry Hill Road, Route 20 at Route 231, Route 641 near Blue Run Creek. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Flood water usually is deeper than it appears. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice when flooded roads are encountered.